Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Pick young leaflets from the top third of the Moringa branch for best flavor and nutrient density. Use pruning shears to harvest during the morning when dew has dried. Rinse leaves in cool, running water, then separate leaflets from stems by pinching with your fingers and drain in a colander. To preserve color and nutrients, dry leaves in shade for 2-3 days or use a dehydrator set to 40 degrees C until crisp. Once dry, cool before processing or storage to avoid condensation. For fresh Moringa tea, use 1 tablespoon fresh leaves per 8 Oz water. For dried powder, use 1 teaspoon powder per 8 Oz water and steep 5-10 minutes. If using fresh leaves in cooking, blanch for 30 seconds to reduce bitterness, then shock in ice water to preserve color and texture. To make powder, grind crisp dried leaves in a spice grinder to a fine texture. Sift to remove fibrous bits, and label the batch with the drying date before moving to airtight storage. Begin with 1/2 teaspoon Moringa powder daily and monitor your response for 1 week. If tolerated, increase to 1-2 teaspoons, approximately 3-6 g per day as a maintenance amount. Store powder in an airtight jar, keep below 25 degrees C and away from sunlight, and use within 6 months for best potency. Freeze portions for longer storage if needed. If you are pregnant, nursing on prescription medication, or have a chronic condition, consult a healthcare professional before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.